I'm sorry to inform you, but your son is dead. He was out playing, where he usually does, by the woods, when a very large owl swooped in low, picked him up, and dropped him about a mile from there. Witnesses say that he was screaming your name the entire time he was in the air, right to when he fell down, when he was dropped. People say that the sound of him hitting the ground was incredibly loud, ear-piercing, one person said. This is an apple-scented candle. Let's give it a whiff. Smells like the corpse of your son. He did like to play, also, in the apple field. Not really. Just making a joke about your dead son involving apples. Because this is an apple-scented candle. He kind of looked like you before he died. The fall mangled his face pretty severely. His face looked more like roadkill in the end. This sound is a lot quieter than your son's screams. I wonder if that owl is still alive. Probably not. Actually, I don't know what the life expectancy of an owl is. I do know that the life expectancy of your son was 12 years. Your son is dead. Ha ha, your son is dead. Ha ha, your son is dead. Ha ha, your son is dead.